Hey guys, welcome back for another Adventure Office video tutorial. Today we're going to tackle targeted marketing. Targeted marketing allows us to go into our client lists and separate them based off certain criteria. There's a lot of different filters, so you can filter by their activity, their lodging type, different things in their customer notes, where they're located, by their birthdays, a lot of fun stuff, which allows you to keep in constant contact with your guests and drive more sales. To start, we're going to log in and head over to the marketing tab on the left side. Once we go into marketing, it'll bring us right to our targeted marketing area. We can create a list, create a message, add promotions. You can also access lists that you've already created here. We'll be working off a new list today, so I'll click the green button, which brings me into our first page of filters. This first page allows us to go through our clients and pick out just the ones that we want to reach out to given our specific list. I'll name this one Marketing List, but of course name yours whatever makes sense for you. And then you can go through and select what parameters you want to set for creating your list. That could be everything from age range, birthday month, customer notes. You can select their source of business. If you want to create a list based on geography, you can do by city, state, or even several different zip codes. If you want to search by reservation criteria, you can go through the reservation notes or even select reservations that were just made in the back office or online. Now let's say that we want to actually draw from people who did a particular activity. We can hit next, select yes from this box, hit next again, and that brings us to here where we can select a date range. For today, we're going to look back all the way into January of 2019, and then our other date will be here in March. We're going to unclick filter by departure, and that pulls up another filter box, which allows us to go through our activities and divisions for our business. Once we select activities and hit next, it brings us into the screen where we can actually select what activity we want to filter by. Our list today is going to be populated with people who went on the rafting trip as well as a zipline adventure. Once we hit next, it will populate our customer list. And you can see you can actually go through here through the different pages. And if there's somebody that you know that you want to take off of your mailing list in here, you can actually go to that person and then select the box next to them that says remove. And when you hit next below to finalize things, it will remove them from your mailing list. This is our finalized mailing list, so we can scroll to the bottom and either save or export. I'm going to save this one because we do have an export option on the next page. So if you did want to export it into Excel, for example, you could come here and download that file from this screen. Now I need to go ahead and select which message I want to send out. I actually have a message in here already created called marketing email, so I'll go ahead and click that. And then I do have the option if I wanted to create a new message from here, I would be able to do that. Or I can go in and edit the message I already have created. So we'll check that out. It's just like our normal message builder here, so I do have a message ready to go. I did use some merge fields, which you're also able to use. It'll draw from those still in these CRM generated messages. I can preview what it's going to look like. And once it all looks good, I can go ahead and save my message here. That brings me back to this screen where I would be able to add a promotion. So let's say you're doing a birthday promotion. You could select that there and give people a code to use for a discount. And then I will go back in. It gives me the option to revise my list one more time before I send it through. Shows me my final list of people who will receive my messages. And I can hit next again. And that brings me to the final page here. So this is where we select the date that we want our message to go out on. I'm just going to select next Monday. If you were doing a birthday message, you can select how many days out you want that to go and preview the message again. Our last step is clicking that launch campaign button. Once you do that, you'll get a notification just like so, and you are good to go. That message is ready to roll. And there you have it, a built-in simple way to reach out to your guests, create more connection between the people that you want to bring back year after year, and even attract new clients. If you want some help setting this up, don't be afraid to reach out to us. Our support number is listed here on this image, and we'd love to go through this process with you individually. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you again soon.